Welcome back to the channel. So it is Colton's birthday, but I thought I'd bring you along for the little walk we're going to do, which is through Penrose and probably back round to the boating lake today. Yeah, Colton wanted to ride his new bike, so we decided to come down here and let him ride his new bike. So yeah, I thought I'd just bring you along. I'll show you his decorations later. Even though they're everywhere now, there will be a short up anyway. But Colton's happy with his bike, so he wanted to ride his bike super fast around, so we came here. We were going to go Marizine, but the issue with Marizine is the only path you can ride it on is right next to a road, like as if you're walking next to the road. And I was just a bit worried with him going, maybe taking one wrong turn and going onto the road if he's going quite fast, because it goes well ahead. So I thought it was actually best we just came down here somewhere where you're off-road and he's just got a massive path you can just cycle all around. So it'll be nice. We're just waiting for Hunty to wake up, me and Geordie are, and then we'll catch them all up in a minute. But it's a nice day. That's a bonus. That's a bonus. Oh, I'm so tired. But yeah, and then hopefully this year or next we may be moving. Mightn't we, Geordie?
Yeah.
Because hopefully Geordie's going to transfer with his job, because he only had a 2-year contract and I reckon he'll transfer with them, so that's fingers crossed. And then there'll be a lot more vlogs doing things when we move. But I'm just trying to sort my hair out, because I put rose gold dye hit on my hair last night. It's actually coming through quite well with the sun on it. But we'll catch up when we're through Penrose. My tripod, we're going to quickly go through this hell of a place. Oh yes, so cleaning motivational clip, kind of a day in the life as well, but we'll go with it. But let's get this cupboard done, or 2 cupboards, as quick as I can. So let's go. Top shot's done. Don't know how much recorded of that because, to be honest, my phone turned off again. But anyway, we're going to quickly clean the top shelf out and put some of this back in it because I will not have any floor room. But we will see how we get on. So, look at that. I'm sorry, that is absolutely minging. I do not know what that is at the back. But whilst I'm cleaning, I thought I would have a quick chat with you guys. Valley's it sorted. It looks a bit of a mess, but it's not. That's all just cloths and everything there, and then I've got everything I need to know. But this is the load I'm getting rid of. Yeah, big difference. So we'll shut that now. Trust me, it makes sense. It may not make sense to you. I'm just going to sort out all this crap on the floor. That needs to go. Needs to go. Needs to go. I don't know whether I know a good few days have passed since we did the cleaning cover together, more like weeks probably, but I have waited for vlogging a little, but I am on the move to get back into vlogging because we have got a week till our holiday. So I've just recorded a couple of shorts to edit as well to get back on top of TikTok and shorts on here. Geordie's getting ready for work to go to work. I'm cleaning the bar stools. Now I'm going to share with you cleaning one. I'm not going to clean, well actually I could clean all four in here because I can speed it up. But really pleased with how the first one. So these bar stools we got about 2 years ago second hand. They were £20 for all four. Makes them 5 each, and it was, they said there was a lot of wear and tear on them, like on the base with rust and stuff like that, and I literally left the bases alone except hoovering when I hoover. But the chairs need a bit of TLC to be honest, because the kids obviously do stuff on them like arts and crafts, and the bases were getting minging. So I'm just looking at the one I've done and it looks actually really sparkly and clean. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna make me and Geordie a brew and then I'll show you quickly what I've done. So I'll show you first. No, I don't like the Tesco cream cleaner. I've gone back to the Sif. I've got two Sifs. I've got the original one and I've got this fancy one, Enchanted Apple Forest. Inspired by the new Disney Snow White movie. It smells divine. So this is an example of a bar stool beforehand. So as you can see, covered, and then obviously the base is horrendous. And then I've just done this bar stool. So obviously some stains aren't going to come out. Looks worse on camera than what it actually is in person. But just look at the bottom, how sparkly it's gone compared to that one at the back. So happy with that. Sorry, I've just got Hunter and he's just covered me in what's it, so it's brilliant. But yes, like I was saying, they need a bit of TLC and I'm really chuffed with how that one turned out. Really sparkly and shiny at the bottom, just stands out of the crowd now of the four, so I need to do the other three today. So I'm just going to make coffee and then I'll catch up when I do the next bar stool. Do you like the bar stool? Look, that one there I cleaned.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look how sparkly the bottom. You have to get up close to the bottom because look how shiny it is.
Oh.
So
That's class, isn't it?
just making a brew and then I'll get doing the rest of the bar stools once Geordie goes to work. So yeah, catch you in a minute. Just share with you doing the base of the one. So this is what the base looks like. And we're just going to use the Sif. Oh. The Sif cream cleaner. And clean up the base of this. So let's go. That is how grimy it is. Then if I just turn you around, the colour. Now the rust isn't going to come off, it's the whole fact of, look at the colour of grime. So I've got this cloth here which I am just wiping it all off with, and then I'm going to spray it down and clean it with diluted what is it? Bicarbonate of soda flash all-purpose cleaner. Normally I mop the floors with that, but I've been using it as a disinfectant as well. So I have a separate cloth here, diluted down flash bicarb soda, and then oh, I missed that bit. Right, let's clean this up. Or on a different one, as you can see, it's not very nice at all. And then this is the after. How much better does that shine look? Now I know you can see rust, but I'm not sure what to get rust off with yet, so if you do have any ideas for rust, do let me know. But that is literally using Sif, and then any disinfectant you have, obviously you can just use water, but I like disinfectant as well, just to kill any bacteria that have been on it. So they're my two go-to. You can have Zoflora if you want. I have got Zoflora in the cupboard to dilute down next, but that's just a flash bicarbonate soda one. But the Sif is the main ingredient here to make sparkly. So I've done one, and I've got a sparkly one over there, and then I've only got these two left to do, which I'll do in a bit. But yeah, and the top has come up as well as it can compared to what it looked like, which was like this. Looking a lot cleaner. But there are stains, but I might look into getting new toppings for these somehow, so I will see what I can do with that. So that is another chair complete. 2 shiny chairs. So channel, what a way to start this, 1 minute. First of all, welcome to all my newbies to my channel. I got a notification that my hours of watch time have gone up dramatically overnight, which is insane, so thank you so much. We are currently getting ready for holiday now. We're going today, and I have to get everything together. We've done pretty much all the packing. Today I just thought I'd bring the last little bit of let's rush and get everything we can all in one place to go. So yeah, we're excited. Another little caravan holiday away. So I just thought I'd just do a quick little vlog for our first trip like we did all the time, and then I'll try and get some of our vlogs uploaded up there because we are going to pay for internet this time, so hopefully. But as you can see, I need to go for a bath or shower to wash my hair at least and stuff. I'm still getting things together. I'm just about to clean the high chair. 1 minute. I'm just about to clean the high chair, so I need to get this off and strip it apart so that we can get it going. But the one thing I do need to find today is my tripod, because I don't have the tripod. I don't know where it's gone. Oh, that's lovely. So yeah. So basically, taking it apart, I'm just going to spray it down with this antibacterial stuff and give it a thorough clean. So we've got all clothes packed. We're going to pick up the click and collect because we're not falling for it this time. We're actually going to have purchase some food up there, and then everything should be dandy. So we're going to grab some little snacks to the car, snacks when we get there. We're going to grab pizza when we're up there, because I know there's a shop nearby for pizza night. For our first night up there, easy, simple dinner. No one wants to We're driving about 3 hours, 4 hours today to it, so no one wants to be cooking a foreign meal. We'll probably be getting a little cheeky McDonald's once on the way up. We haven't had McDonald's in... I don't think the kids have ever had McDonald's. They've had KFC, but they've never had McDonald's. And even KFC is a rare one, so yeah. Get that done, but I thought I'd clean the high chair now, even though I've got a Hoover. And yeah, let's just clean the high chair. I cleaned, now I've got to hoover up all this. That top bit's clean, so let's move this into the hallway and then that's ready to go in the van when Geordie finishes work. That's the high chair done. So I'm going to leave that there. The next thing I need to do is soak the air fryer because we're taking that with us because... Oh, I think... Did Geordie clean it? I think Geordie's cleaned it. There we go, Geordie already cleaned it. Just going to clean the outside and get that out. Because we're going to take it with us because... it's easier to cook meals in it that we like as well, and then we're not always having to use that oven because I don't like gas. So yeah. So then it's the velvetier I need to clean and get that away. What is it? And then we've got our packed bags for bathroom essentials, but I can't do that until I've got the click and collect. So I'm waiting for my dad to come around so I can actually go for a bath or a shower because obviously I've got the kiddies all awake. So I'm not leaving them with bells. Finish up drying clothes, then finish up packing. So yeah, wish me luck. It's a hectic day without Geordie here. He's at work chilling. So we will catch up in a bit. And what did you have done with your hair? You had a new haircut. You excited for holiday?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Being a fish. Coming on well. I'll just turn you around and show you kind of what we've packed so far, and then I'm going for a bath. We've got our son's creams, we've got plates, we've got kind of all the medication in here and everything like that as well. In here's a goodie bag that Colton packed, and then we've got all our cleaning stuff as well as taking this one. High chair table done as well, and then if we go in the hallway we've got the high chair to put in the van when Geordie finishes work. We've got a selection of Athena's toys. These are spare clothes or clothes that I couldn't fit in our suitcase that I've just dried as well for a mixture of everyone. This is got the 3 little ones' clothes in it. Bella's created her own little selection here of 3 bags. This is the bag of towels as well, and this is the bag of recycling that's going to go out en route as well. So that is so far what we've packed. I have got to still tidy in here obviously, but I've still got to pack the air fryer. Need to finish the bottles. Velvetier's drying. Need to make sure I've got all the other plastic bottles together. Then I need to put all the plants downstairs on the table. Once that's cleared, that needs watering because our neighbour's going to come in and feed the fish, feed the tortoises, and I hopefully water my plants for me. And then I think we're done. Gonna get this load out and dry the last load of washing just so everything's dry and get the stairs cleared. And yeah, ready to go. So not much more left to do.